Hi guys, so today I'm doing an update on the HJ Weave Beauty hair. I got this wig and I did like an initial review slash unboxing. I've got a video down below, I'll link it down below, where I talked about when I showed when I got the wig. I also customized this wig, you can check it out on my channel. This is their coily Brazilian Reme hair wig. It's a lace front wig. It's actually 24 inches and 150 density. I got this wig like 3 months ago, so this is like an update on how the wig has head on how I feel about the wig. Let's jump right into my 3 months update and review. The curls are nice, so right now it's a bit dry. I'll put a bit of water and the curls just bounces nicely. Curls of this are, you know, is so nice. So I'm just putting water in. The curl pattern is just so nice, so that's a pro. It's low maintenance. All you need to do is maybe slapping a bit of, I tend to just put in conditioner. That's all I do. I just put in conditioner. It's really, you don't need any proper posh products. Conditioner, I put conditioner in it, sprit water. So what I do is sprit water in it and put conditioner, and the curls will just bounce like literally to become shiny and nice. I just love the way it curls up. The price is a good price, so you can check out my other video. I put the price in there. I got it on sale. The pros are, number one, the curls are just beautiful. I love the way it curls. Number two, pro, it's low maintenance. Number three, the price. I bought it for on sale. Let's talk about the cons. It tangles. Yeah, it does tangle. If it's hot, the back gets mated. So it does tangle, especially when it's hot. It just gets mated at the back, so it tends to tangle. So that's a con, especially when it's hot and humid. But most wigs tend to do that, you know, but it tangles, so I've got to detangle. Second con is that it sheds. Oh my god, this wig sheds. Not only when you, normally my wig sheds when I am watching it or when I'm styling or something, but this wig mostly sheds when I'm co-washing it. I think it sheds a lot, if I'm being honest. But coily hair tends to shed, I've noticed. But I think this, I don't like the way it sheds. It just, anytime you run your hands through, you put a comb through, it does shed. Like for example, let's try this now and see if it does. Although this pretty detangled because I washed it recently. I know some people don't come for me. This is the only brush I can find here. Some people will be like, oh, that's a small brush. Well, so it's shed this amount. So anytime you put your comb through, it sheds. It's not. But that's the thing for coily hair, it sheds. Okay, so that's kind of a con for me. Another con as well is it's just so, I don't know if it's because I got the 150 density, but it's just so thin. It's just so thin. This is it in its dry state, so it's kind of dried now. So have a look. This is it in the dry state, right? So I'm gonna wet it now. When it's dry, it's actually nice. But with coily hair, I actually like it wet. So I'm just sprinkling water all over. Because I really like my coily hair wet. I don't know, I just love the look when it's wet. So just have a look, see. Just by this small manipulation, see the amount of shedding now, just now. So just now, I've just lost this amount. So anything you do to it, it's a nice hair. I really like it. The curls are lovely, but it's just so light. It's just so light. So this is all the hair, guys. So I've just dampened it a bit with water, and this is all the hair. So I'll just show you the back. So this is all the hair. So when it's damp, it's nice, but it's just like nothing. So there's not enough hair. I like it damp because it's prettier when it's damp like this. It's just pretty. When it's damp like this, I like it, but it's just so light. I'm currently considering buying some more tracks to sew it just at the back. So it gives me more volume, but it's just so thin. But like I said, I bought the 150 density. People buy as far as 250 density. People buy 180. I wanted a good price, so I bought 150, which is kind of, I don't know if it's a good idea to do that. In terms of the frontal, it's quite nice. It's not bad at all. I did not bleach this frontal, so what I did was just I used my Sally Hensey on it to kind of cover the knot. I didn't bleach the knot, so it's head-on wear. It's not balding or anything, so I would say the lace is okay. It's a bit thick. It's not HD, obviously. It wasn't pre-plucked. I had to pluck it. I had to customize it. I've got a video on that as well. Check out my channel. Just to recap, in terms of pro, it's lovely. The curls are lovely. It's low maintenance. Like I said, just spray water in, put conditioner. You don't need to tongue, coil, you know, those kind of shenanigans. So just put in some conditioner, water, you're good to go. It's really low maintenance. That's one thing I love about this. Low maintenance. Okay, so just add the pros. The cons are: number one, tangling. It tangles a lot. Number two, shedding. Oh my god, it sheds a lot. As you know, coily hair sheds, so that's given, but this does shed. It does shed. I'm not gonna lie, it does shed. So just now I just got this amount from it just by little manipulation. So just imagine if I lose this amount of it every time I touch the hair, what will it be like in a year's time? So I'm definitely gonna do 6 months review. I'm gonna do 1 year review, so you see how it goes. I think the biggest con for me is the shedding. It just sheds so much. But then again, coily hair tends to shed. I've never had a coily hair that doesn't shed. That's the truth. So coily hair tends to shed, but some sheds more than others. So I think this does shed a little bit more. It tangles up when it's humid. Would I say it's the same? Is this hair the same with when I got it? No, it's not, because it's kind of shed a bit. It's thinner, but it's still nice. The curls are the same, right? It's not thick from weft to the end. No, it's not. It's a bit on the thin side, but it's so low maintenance, so I do love it. Will I buy again from HJ Weave? I think so. You know, I buy good price. So if they're doing any deal again, I would buy, because I think it's how you maintain the hair as well. So I tend to deep condition to take care of the hair. I tend to condition the hair. I tend to co-wash it to take care of the hair. I put conditioner to make it soft. I don't comb it just anyhow. I comb it when necessary. That's really my honest update, and that's really my view. I bought this with my own money, so every view is really my opinion. So yeah, so this is kind of my view on this. I hope you found this helpful. Are you thinking of getting the HJ Weave? What's your experience? Have you got their wig? Comment down below what you think. Have you got this wig? What are your thoughts? Is this the same for you? was? Comment down below. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like if you did, subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you see more videos as they come. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.